And today I'm going to talk about content idea generation. So what is content idea generation? It's basically nothing. The post that you're making on your social media sites, the content of that post is what you generate as a social media marketer. So how do you generate a post? Okay, it's very simple, right? Maybe or maybe not. Okay. So I'm going to share with you three best steps that you need to do to generate a content. So first of all, what you can do is you need to understand the business, the type of business a client is doing. Suppose a client is from a logistics company. It may be like you don't know what logistics is all about. Okay, you may not know what sort of post will go as like when you're working as a social media marketer, what post you need to do every day, daily. You may not know that, and that's totally cool. So what you can do is know about their business first, then learn what they want, what is their expectation, what is not their expectation, what sort of things they like, what sort of things they don't like. Learn about it, know about it properly, correctly, clear all the confusions, and then you go to the second step. Second step will be research. Research the competitors. Find out what others in the industry is doing, what others in this industry, in this logistics industry, are doing every day to reach out to their potential customers or their audience, or just they're just involving in discussions or whatever the thing they're doing online on their social media sites. You need to find out what they're doing and how they're reaching out to the people and make a point of those. Definitely you're not going to copy it, right? You're not going to copy that. You're going to take idea from the post and understand what sort of post the target group loves, what sort of post they love, what sort of post they don't love. So make a note of it, make a note of everything, and then work accordingly, plan out accordingly, make a strategy, proper content strategy, then plan it, content calendar. The third most important step that you have to do is prepare a content calendar depending on the content that will be going every day, like a calendar only. Like you can make it for 30 days or 10 days or 15 days, whichever way you want, you will do it, and prepare a content calendar accordingly, and keeping in mind what sort of post is going when and which day at what time, and the platforms, everything. Note it down on a content calendar so that everyone is on the same page. Create content calendar and make a proper strategy and understand the business you're working for and make contents. It's really simple, really easy, and very interesting. Try it. If you want to know something more about this, we are here to help you, and I'll definitely come back with much more on this series. So keep watching. Thank you.